Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Vina Istiana and I'm 6th semester student. Today, I will be presenting my midterm project titled An Analysis of Humor in Comedy through Gracian Maxim Theory. The purpose of this presentation video is to fulfill the requirements for the midterm project in pragmatics, as well as to analyze and understand the linguistic phenomena behind why we like when watching comedy films or stand-up comedy from the perspective of Gracian Maxim's theory. Grace maxims are rules or guiding principle in pragmatics, a branch of linguistics that explain how people communicate effectively and efficiently in everyday conversation. This theory was proposed by a philosopher of language named Paul Grice in 1975. Grice argued that in a normal conversation, both parties, the speaker and the listener, are unconsciously bound by an agreement known as the cooperative principle. This principle states that in communication, people should ideally cooperative with one another so that information is conveyed effectively. There are 4 basic rules known as the Gracian maxims. The first is the maxim of quantity. This maxim governs the amount of information. The speaker must provide just the right amount of information, neither too little nor too much of what the listener needs. The second is the maxim of quality. This maxim requires us to tell the truth. Do not say something you know to be a lie or that lacks empirical evidence. The third is the maxim of relation or relevance. The rule is simple. Our answer or statement must be connected to and relevant to the topic being discussed. The fourth is the maxim of manner. This maxim governs the manner of delivery. We must speak clearly, unambiguously, coherently, and get straight to the point without beating around the bush. In real life, we often deliberately break these rules. This phenomenon is called flouting the maxims. When someone breaks a maxim, they don't actually want to stop cooperating, rather, they want to convey a hidden message or implied meaning, which in pragmatics is called an implicator. Why is something considered funny? One of the most well-known theories of humor is the incongruitive theory. Humor arises when there is a gap or mismatch between what we expect and what actually happens. This is where pragmatics comes in. This logical incongruity is most often created through language, specifically by intentionally violating Grice's maxims. Why do we look at comedy or stand-up? The answer is that comedians or comedy writers exploit language by deliberately violating Grice's maxims. They lead the audience to think normally at the beginning, the setup, then shatter the rules of communication at the end, the punchline. The audience laugh because they recognize the violation and successfully grasp the implied meaning implicator behind it. Example of violation of the quality maxim: being a woman in today's globalized world means you have to be creative. You don't need to go to a salon if you want to stay young. You just have to eat plenty of food containing formalin to stay young. The purpose of this exaggeration is to be funny or to make people laugh. In this monologue, the comedian explained that in this modern, high-tech era, women are competing to always look beautiful and avoid looking old. There are many ways to stay young, one of which is facial plastic surgery, but this is very expensive. Therefore, the comedian offers a solution for women to stay young and not look old. Eating food containing formalin. In reality, formalin is extreme dangerous for food. In the comedian's previous statement, there was a maxim of quality deviation because the speaker leading providing information with the aim of making people laugh of being funny. In conclusion, Grace's maxim theory demonstrates that humor in comedy films or stand-up comedy arises not from unintentional linguistic errors, but rather from the deliberate violation of floating maxims to subvert our expectations. That's all from me. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.